What you doing, Pepsi? There's the CJ. Been in the barn for a while. She's dirty. We're gonna bring it out and start working on her. Yep, she's a mess.
Did I grab the wrong keys?
Boy, she's got some rat poop in her, huh? Did you? That's Pepsi girl. Hey, Pepsi. You've been eating the... Oh, you have been eating the top, haven't you? Yep. Got a stinger bumper on it. We put that on last year. Put some Smitty bolt flat fenders on it. It's got 37 fucking Wild Peaks. Got some race lines on it. It's got a T18 in it. 300 transfer case. It's got the little 6-cylinder in it. It is fuel injection. We did put Holly fuel injection on it. So we're gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up. We're gonna get it painted, get it running. We're gonna get it up in the shop. Start sanding her down and just throw a, we're gonna rhino line it, I think. Figure out what we're gonna do. A high steer on it. The Dana 44 in the front, out of a Waggy. Yep. Got a Detroit in the rear, ARB in the front. We're gonna see if it starts up. Now we're gonna have to open the hood, aren't we? I think it's locked, the hood.
There's no lock on it.
Yeah, there is.
No.
Oh, I just didn't. I just saw it there. Over one. Yeah, it's been down here for at least a year.
3.
Maybe 2. A year and a half, 2 years, I don't know. How's the wiring? Look like it's chewed up at all?
We'll find out.
Stuff starts to irk. Do both those batteries work?
Yes. The electric fans won't come on until freaking another one gets charged.
You might want to put that battery up higher. And the fender's gonna fall. What you doing, Pepsi? Go ahead and start her up. Got the big bad Max horn. Might need to, oh, that battery's low. It's down on the red on the jumper. You gotta charge it. See it?
Yeah.
Stay tuned for part 2 when we install some new Cobra seats. Coming soon. Alright guys, we need to go get the battery charger and we'll get this up in the shop. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.